Here is how to install the MT2Deriv connector on MT5. The first thing to do is to log into MT5 with your Deriv account. If you don't have one, check the description for more information on how to do it. Next, download the connector. Extract the contents to a folder. Click on the folders until you reach the Experts folder with two files, the auto and the manual connectors. You need to open the data folder to place the connectors, so in MT5, click on the file and open data folder. As you can see, it opens a window with several folders. Click on the MT5 folder, then go into the Experts folder. From the other window, select both connectors and copy them. After that, paste them into the Experts folder from MT5. Return to MT5 on the Experts Advisor inside the Navigator window. Right-click on it and select Refresh. In that way, the MT5 will display the connectors. Click on a market from Market Watch and drag it to the screen. After that, you can click on the Auto connector and drag to the newly opened chart. Select Allow DL's imports. Click on the Common tab, then check Allow Algo Trading. Read the text for more information. On the Inputs tab, you have all the configurations from the Auto connector. Remember to input your account token and indicator file name if you want to use indicator buffers as your source signal. Always check the Experts tab for more information about the connectors. If something is not loading correctly, close the chart and open a new one. Repeat the process to add the connector to the chart again. It should display the objects with more information about the setup and the trades. For the manual connector, it will work the same way. You will find more objects to click and facilitate the trading. Together with the connectors, you may find some indicators to be used on the Auto connector. Just check the Indicators folder from the downloaded file.